Hello, you little chocolate fingers. Mr. Wonderful here. Right, what's on the recipe today, Jim? Well, today I'm going to do something for the ladies. Well, also the guys as well. I mean, I used to have one earring. And I'm going to make some earrings out of these US 1 cent coins. So first of all, you have to punch a hole in it. And I use this little gadget. Bloody good though. Beats using a drill, and it makes such a clean hole. Hope everybody's doing fine. Mr. Wonderful is doing okay. Just been doing a bit of shopping. I'm just trying to line it up. I want to get the 1 cent hanging at the bottom. That ain't looking too shabby. A bit more maybe. It's a bit fiddly, but you know, it is what it is. Right. There's one. And I'll do the other one. I was watching a few videos on YouTube. The cost of living in the UK, bloody hell, man, it's crazy over there now, isn't it? I mean, it's expensive here, but £6 for a bottle of Heinz tomato ketchup. That is a lot. It ain't too bad. Right, that's all we need that for. So now I get this little gadget. An old man from the States made this for me. It's a little jig. You put your coin in, like so. I tried a sixpence in there, but the sixpences are a little bit too big. Now we can go over to Big Red. Let me do the old 1-2 on it. There we have one cowboy hat. Guys, it hasn't stopped raining there for quite a few days now. It's bloody lousy. Right, now the other one. So now this little ball bearing inside, just turn it over, and there's a little crease in it. You want to get that nice and straight and level. Bit more. Today would be good, wouldn't it? That ain't looking too shabby. So you put it back in again. And then this little gizmo. Yeah, that's good. That puts the crease in the hat. So you go back over to Big Red again. Give it a bit of the old 1-2. And the same with this one. I think this is about $100 altogether, including shipping. Nice old boy. He also made me one that took halfpennies as well. Right. Now there you go. There are your two earrings. So now we'll give it a bit of the old polish. Brighten them up a bit. David Dremel. And we've got Felton John installed. Rocket Man, doopy 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 doo. I get a bit sick of Nikita and the other one. I just posted a set of these off to some guy in the UK. Hope you like them, man, if you're watching this. So let's get a bit more intimate, shall we? Do you like getting intimate with me? Here we go. There you go. You can't beat a bit of intimacy, can you, really? These come up nice as well. I also clear coat these so they don't lose the shine. Oh, I want to sneeze. That's looking pretty damn good. I'm going to do this one. Okie dokie. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. And people that have commented. And you haters out there that keep saying this is totally illegal. So what about the penny smashing machines that are all over the UK? Like at zoos and Madame Tussauds and all around the centre of London. You put your penny in, or your coin, you smash the lever down, and out comes your coin. Totally another shape, flattened, with a picture of Big Ben on it, or the Big Eye, or Madame Tussauds, or whatever fun park you're at. I mean, if the UK Mint ever want to get in contact with me and tell me to stop doing it, I'll stop doing it. But all you haters out there, you got it totally wrong. It's a grey area, I know, but you're bang out of order. I should be hung. Sort yourselves out. Come on. I mean, I don't mind the comments. I mean, bad comments are just as good for my channel as good comments. So you keep them going. I love you to bits. Right. What we got? Let's clean off the mingers. Yeah, it's weird. Some people have got nothing better to do than sit in their little sad chair and find something to moan about. They're the sort of people I'd like to have a beer with, you know. and say, what is wrong with you? Why don't you go and get a life, you know? Right. That came out rather sexy. And once these are clear coated, they won't lose their shine. Or they won't for a long time. I mean, like my rings, I do clear coat them, but it doesn't last forever. You might have to top it up with a bit of clear nail varnish now and again, or, you know, it all depends how you use them. There you go. Right, now I have these little jump rings. I don't usually use these, but I've got these these wires. These are just sad ones. I don't sell these. That's all I've got. I need to get some more earrings. So I have to use these jump rings on this because the wires are too small to go through. There's one. These jump rings are really strong. They're so bloody small. Right. You see, these are just rubbish. I don't sell them. I bought them, and they were supposed to be silver and a lot bigger, but when I got them, they were not silver, and that's shit. But I've ordered some more, so this is just to show you me making an earring, really. It's exciting, isn't it? Wrong way, I think. There you go, folks. Cowboy hat earrings. Made with love. So yeah, thank you all for watching. There's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video. You hit that. Stuff happens. And God willing, I will see you on the next video. And it balances perfectly on this finger. Right. Keep smiling. Try and make somebody smile today. Thanks for all your support. Don't let the bastards get you down, and I'll see you in the next one. So bye-bye.